What is going on everyone? Welcome in this tutorial on how to download the game Crush for free on your PC or laptop. As you can see, I'm at my Google browser, and for the first step we have to tick in the game Crush. After that you can select it and there you can see the game. So to download this game for free on your PC you have to follow these steps accurately. So make sure you follow each steps and then you can download this game for free. So there are different options. You can go to the official Game Maker's website. You can also go to the Steam link. We will click on the Steam link. Steam is a legit gaming platform, so this game is completely legit to download and play for free. As you can see, they are showing us a trailer about this game, and you can also check out some screenshots. After that, read some information, and as you can see there are a lot of reviews very positive about this game. So, for the first step we have to make sure our system meets the system requirements to download and play this game for free on your PC or laptop. As you can see, you need to meet these requirements. Make sure you check this out. And after that, if you want to play this game for free, we need to scroll back up and there you can click to play this game Crush for free on your PC. Just click on play game and now they will ask you if you have already installed the Steam desktop application. If you haven't installed it yet, then click on no, I need Steam. If you already installed Steam, then just click on yes, Steam is installed. After that you can start downloading this game for free, and hopefully this tutorial was very helpful. We would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial, and don't forget to support this channel with a like and a subscribe. We would love to see you guys. Bye bye!